say, where they make it feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine, baby girl. I see you, wanna ride you like a bicycle, and you they blow my mind from my mind ago. And I no go lie, you light up my life. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, she don't want the Gucci, but the body Fendi.
What you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out your life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. Keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time.
Hey ACR fam, welcome back to another video. Hope all is well with everyone and you are doing amazing. Today's video I will be doing a pink room transformation. If you are original ACR fam, y'all know that my favorite color is pink, black and blue, but mostly pink. And I just wanted to turn my room back into that pink aesthetic color. Y'all know I had switched it around with the gray and also with the black and with the white. I was trying to do something different. At the end of the day, I still love pink and I'm obsessed with it. So I just wanted to turn my room back into that nice little bright colors. I really don't like dark colors, I like bright colors. So yes, that's what you guys will be seeing in this video. As y'all see right now, I went on a huge online shopping spree with mostly Amazon, Walmart and Target to buy my bedroom decor, but my favorite app of all is Amazon. Of course, they have so much beautiful decor items there. So yes, y'all can see what I'm ordering right now, and I will be putting the pictures throughout the video of everything that I got, just in case you guys want to purchase it as well. So yes, I hope you guys enjoy this video. This will mostly be like a montage. I won't be talking much in this video. I just want y'all to sit back and enjoy, and please stay tuned for this transformation at the very end of the video. I'm telling y'all, my room looks so beautiful now. I'm literally looking at it and it looks amazing. This is a huge upgrade. So yes, hope y'all enjoy. Make sure y'all comment down below so I know that you tuned in. Hopefully I can give you guys some nice ideas to transform your room. Enjoy the video.
I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm a ticking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my wise man step. Follow the stars. Yeah, you shall find them. Be so bad vibes. If you hit your enemies, enemies try. If you're not a friend of me, enter the line. Cause you can never kill my vibe. Cause there with no sacrifices. Everything was taken. You had to make it. Vibe killer. Me I no go take shit. Vibe killer. Love is somebody talk. Protect my energy from your bad aura. From my past don't say I be my healer. Everything I desire I go to see. My everything flow like a river. If you get sour, come on one sit down. I go just para. Come on my jigger. I go just play. Follow my dream. blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that light. No, nothing kill my vibe. Nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill, you nothing kill, you nothing kill my vibe. I see you watching my stories. I see you getting my lifestyle. I see you watching my movement. This bad bitch bad every day. I know they look on your face. Bad man bad every day. Get on your knees and pray till you regain your faith. Love is somebody that protect my energy from your padora. Let my past don't say I be my healer, everything I desire. I couldn't see my rhythm flow like a river. If you get sour, come on, go and sit down. I go just para, come on my jigger. I go just follow my dreams. I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm taking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that light. Oh, don't kill my vibe.
So y'all, everything was going nice and smooth until I noticed that one of my curtains was really short, y'all. Girl, when I tell y'all I was so mad. Y'all see how it say 84-inch curtains for all four? They had put one that was 63 inches. Bruh. Are you kidding me? Really, Mainstay? Really, Mainstay? Are you for real? Why would you do that? Why would you do that? When I tell you I was so blown, but I was not trying to make that ruin my day, and I was going to make the best out of it. So as y'all seen, I did get my refund back. Yes. Because don't play with me like that, Mainstay. I was so excited. And then I noticed, I was like, hold up. My curtain look a little bit short. Then I looked, it's a 63-inch and an 84-inch package. Are you serious? But yes, let's just go back to the video, y'all.
Understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that was fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns run around, run away as a rebel comes out. Then you call on me when you call me, I come, but then you go again. With your death, yeah, open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from the life of the hopeless? Now here you are, you're begging and crying. To fly, yeah, I'm flying to morning. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the suffering I'm caught, yeah. Running away from the darkness I'm out, yeah. I don't know the limits. Going way beyond the noise and your feelings. When you speak, all I can hear is silence. Turning back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes. I'm really right now from the side now. Come on then, calm down when you see me. You know that I was there for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I Yes! Where my light this your color, no be fake. My banana, go to my banana. Show me power, and let me learn my life. It's my like I went to
Comment down below pink hearts or both who's still watching.
Some people are gonna think that I'm crazy, but I don't care. All that matters to me is Isaiah.
Shawty made that ass, high fashion, like go yo, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you 'cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Got that ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it on these niggas no more. I've been in fiends, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start it, I feel a lot of faith. Now you want to shoot with the bed, all the bed. You know I like when you right at the top. She wants your name, yo-yo. I'm only doing cash, I don't need promo. I pull up to the high rise, I'm in the 4-4. Inside the Coco. If I got a feeling I keep it inside my heart. And I keep up at it 'cause I don't lose the side. You can see my diamonds even when I'm in the dark. And since you got it, it makes you go and do it. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like go, yo. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you 'cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Drop that ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it on these niggas no more. I've been in fiends, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start it, cause I'm in the bottom, babe. Now you want to shoot with the bed, all the bed. You know I like when you ready. She gon' hit.
Are y'all still watching? The reveal's coming right now.
I've been up on it wild, and then they been begging for shit, style, my hoes about it. Remember I was pulling up in the valley. You know I take her so when she ride. This nigga's all kids old. Shawty know the drive it look like a demo. Every time we kick it like demo. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. I put some ice on you 'cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Got that ass to the floor, yeah. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like oh yeah, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you 'cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Got that ass to the floor, yeah. You ain't gotta do it on these niggas no more. I've been in fiends, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and the bottom.
Big reveal is coming now, before and after.
When you right at the top.
Always felt like my vision being bigger than a bigger picture. Crazy how you gotta wait until it's dark out to see who really with you. Crazy how even when it miss you, shit'll come back around and get you. Crazy like all my niggas. Crazy like all my niggas.
Here we go, y'all. Let's get it.
Deleted all my other girls' numbers out of phone for you. Remember when you had to take the bar exam, I drove in the snow for you. Yeah, you probably don't remember half the shit a nigga did for you. Yeah, you ain't really fuck with me way back then, but how about now? Cause I'm up right now. And you suck right now.
Another video filmed. Done time 3:18 in the morning. Not even in the day. It's the night for sure. Morning time. And yeah, we done for today. Took me about freaking hours, but it looks good. Okay.
Yeah, always been daddy's little angel. I bought your dad a bunch of shit for Christmas, he ain't even say thank you. I had no money left from acting, I was focused on the music. I used to always try and bring the CDs to my new shit. You be like, who's this? I be like, me, girl. You be like, oh, word, true shit. Then ask if we can listen to Ludacris. Car rides made me feel like I was losing it. Yeah, made me feel like I ain't have it like that. I was average like that. Started drinking way more than I used to. People form habits like that, girl. Yeah. Man enough to tell you I was hurt that year. I'm not even Christian, I still went to church that year. Guess I just had to pretend that year. I ain't even see my friends that year. That shit fair. He ain't really fuck with me way back then, but how about now? Cause I'm up right now. And you stuck right now. Oh, you thought you had it all figured out back then, girl. How about now? Cause I'm up right now. And you stuck right now. Yeah. Thought the little effort that you put in was enough, girl. How about now? Yeah. Girl, how about now? How about now, girl? What about now, girl? How about now?